In this video, I'm going to show you how to use volume delta candles from LuxAlgo. So the first thing you have to do, you want to go to their official website, and then you want to sign into your account or create one if you don't have one yet, and then click on the library button up top right over here, and then you can see all the indicators, and you want to click on search indicators and type in volume delta candles, okay? Like this, there we go, and then it should pop up a bunch of different things here, and as you can see, the first one here is the volume delta candles. You want to click on it, and then from here you can basically read all about that. You can see what it looks like over here on the chart. You could go ahead and scroll down and see like all the settings, how it looks like, how it works basically, and then to actually use it yourself, you can go ahead and scroll all the way up, and here it says works on the following platforms. You have the options of TradingView, NinjaTrader, MT4 and MT5 over here, and then just click on get access on whichever one you want and follow these setup instructions. Now the quickest way to do this likely is to use TradingView, so I'm just going to showcase this. I'm going to click on get access over here, and then I'm going to click on get access again. It's going to open up the TradingView platform for me, and then here you have to sign into your account. If you're not signed in yet, you could add it to favorites if you wanna, and then to use it, click on use on chart over here at the bottom left. And when this happens here, as you can see, it's going to load up the chart, and then the chart is going to basically have the volume delta candles. Now, if for some reason it's not looking like this, as you can see here, it's looking a bit different for me, it is because of your time frame, most likely. So go ahead and change that. I'm going to change from 1 minute to, let's do like 30 minutes. And as you can see here, there we go. It's now looking exactly like the volume delta candles over here on this example here. And if it's still not working, then you may have to go ahead and click on this layers icon and then put this LuxAlgo above your chart. Or alternatively, if it's still not working for you and not showing, it's likely due to your chart settings. So go ahead and just reset your chart settings, and then you'll be good to go, and you should be able to see the volume delta candles and use it over here directly on TradingView. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.